decided to make this short video for all you fans of the movie Trick or Treat and the character Sam. Now, we have the animated prop Sam, and we saw this flaming pumpkin. We thought that would look awesome sitting next to it in a scene. And we were also there, we saw an inflatable. I saw that last year, didn't pick it up, got it this year, maybe put it outside and the neighbors will figure out who the character is. And also, have to get a magnet to put on your car to show that you are a fan of this little guy.
And like John said, they have a lot of different things.
A lot of stuff.
For Sam. So I saw this bag that I really liked. I might put some candy in it if we are able to have trick-or-treating this year. But it has the rules of Halloween. But we also found this sign that has the rules that we're going to put by
our display.
Our display. So the rules of Halloween are: first, wear a costume.
Gotta wear a costume.
Hand out treats.
Hand out treats. No razor blades.
Never blow out a jack-o'-lantern. Always check your candy.
Yeah, because if you blow out that jack-o'-lantern, this little guy is going to come get you, and you're not going to make it to the next Halloween.
So, and I think he is so cute. Little baby Sam.
Cute but deadly. So we're going to go put these together, and we're going to let you see if they work. Okay, let's unbox this. See what we have in here. It's a pretty small box. We have stakes outside. There we have the plug. There it is.
I'm anxious to see this.
Yeah, let's see what it's
because he is one of my favorite characters.
Got some weight in it. Down there. Well, that's the motor, the weight's the motor. And it also does have some weight in it. Maybe
Oh, that's
keep it
good.
from blowing around. Still got to put stakes in it.
And what does it say on the box what size he is?
I think says he's 48 inches.
48 inches.
Yep.
Oh, he looks really good.
You can kind of see how big he is. I'll stand next to him. How does he look?
He looks good.
Come out. That is a little sucker. He looks pretty good. Got a real rope around his neck. Wish I could have done the hands a little better, but
Yeah.
that's usually what the inflatables look like.
Pumpkin looks good.
Turn the lights off and see what he looks like in the dark.
Well, it looks pretty good. It's almost too dark. I can't see, really, you won't see his top of his face very well though.
Yeah, not too bad. Move up on it so you can see it in there. I see the light.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe needed a little more light in his head, but he still looks good. You can still see the top of his head.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's get to unboxing the flaming pumpkin. Trick or treat. We have the flaming pumpkin. Then we have in the cord. That's basically it. Got the back of that.
Trick or treat.
That is cool. Looks pretty neat.
Mm-hmm. He does.
So,
Face looks good.
It does. So let's plug it in. See how it looks. It's got a pretty good fan to it. Got a bunch of lights in the front. You see them?
Yeah.
And it looks pretty good. Main thing, let's see what it looks like in the dark.
He looks good.
That does look good. Detail on the face. Move it up towards you. How does it look?
Looks good.
So that ought to look really good next to Sam. Check out this.